How to add LinkedIn extension on Chrome browser. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add LinkedIn extension on your Chrome browser. In order to do so, first of all, open your Chrome browser on your device and in the search bar type in chromewebstore.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Google Chrome Web Store. Here, you'll be able to locate the search bar at the top. Click on the search bar here and then type in LinkedIn extension there. Once after entering this keyword, press on the enter key again to search for it. You will get the search results below. From here, find the one that is suitable for you. Also note that some extension may not be available. Here, once you find the extension that you are looking for, simply click on it to open it, and inside it look for Add to Chrome option. Unfortunately, this extension is no longer available because it doesn't follow the best practices for Chrome extension. So you will need to find a new one now. You click on this arrow at the top left corner to go back and then select the next one. Here I'm going to select Author UP. Simply click on this extension and inside it look for Add to Chrome option. You'll be able to see this option at the top right. Once you find this option, simply click on it and a pop-up will appear right after that. In this pop-up, you will need to click on this Add Extension button to install it. After installation, the extension icon will appear at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on this extension icon at the top right and then there you will be able to see the extension. Now you can simply click on this icon and follow any setup or login instructions to connect it with your LinkedIn account. And once it has been linked, you'll be able to enhance networking, lead generation or profile management. So this is how you can add LinkedIn extension on Chrome browser. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.